It's made of drone parts and stuff I had lying around.
That you get from like...
I'm nervous. All right.
Don't be nervous.
Ready? Yep. Okay, way too much elevator. Okay, way too much elevator. Well done. Way too much elevator.
Let's go see the damage.
Where's that rubber band? Is there another one somewhere? And we also need another bamboo skewer. This is my new retainer mechanism.
There's my hair tie.
Yep.
It's been repurposed.
Okay, so we're gonna... So I need to move it.
All right, take two.
No idea why I did that, but that's not good.
It sounded different than last time.
It's fine when I do.
Oh.
Okay. It's loose now, for sure.
Are you certain that it's loose?
Okay. Okay. That was actually a lot more successful than I thought it would be. Okay, so when it's flying, it's constantly trying to roll this way, and I don't want it to. So I told it to not do that, essentially. Okay, it's flying. If it's not completely broken, I'm gonna try going in first person. Okay, way too much elevator. Okay, way too much elevator. Okay.